I think we see Willis coming up.
And the crowd is going wild.
Michael Jordan.
NBA Finals, Magic Johnson.
Ball game is tied. What a play by Dave Coward. Magic down the middle.
1 second. West throws it up. Got it. Saves it to Tony. He runs over.
5 seconds to go.
Michael circles.
Hines Jr. serving. Drives to the basket. Goes up and...
It feels like heaven. And there they go. They won it again.
Their 6th NBA championship.
Game is over.
Player is Magic Johnson.
Don't ever underestimate the heart of a champion.